How to download Android apps. Okay. Normally people asking like this are obviously iPhone users or clearly China's friends. Based on my experience, most of China phones don't have Google Play Store application. Actually, to download Android apps is very easy as 1 2 3 if you already installed Google Play Store on your phone. Okay. First of all, we have to help our Chinese friends to install Play Store on Android safely. But before that, allow me to introduce my YouTube channel. I'm Shinops, and thank you very much for watching my video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're the one who wants to find out more about the most useful and powerful top Android apps, I will recommend you guys, you're in the right place right now. How to download Google Play Store application on China phones. First step. Open Google Chrome. Step 2. On the search bar, type in apkpure.com and open it. Step 3. Now on the APK Pure search bar, type in Google Play Store. Step 4. Select Play Store to start download and install it. So because I already have this app, I will cancel it. So, if you are previously iPhone user or China phone user, if you are new on Android, the first time you open Google Play Store it will ask you to sign up to create your new account on Play Store. So you have to prepare your email ad. So if you are completed to create your Play Store account, let's move on to our main topic. How to download Android apps. So, to download Android apps is very easy. Just tap the Play Store icon to open it. Now on the home screen you can see it like this. Apps have their own different categories. So if you have a large internal or external storage, you have a chance to download a lot of games for free. For example, on the top chart. So over here you can select which one you'd like to download. For example, Mobile Legend 114 MB, so this is a large file. Anyway, back to the home page, you can also search directly on the search bar. All you need to do is just type in the name of Android app you want to search. Let's say for example, Bible. Tap the search button and boom. Lot of Bible results. To select the best one, you can check it according to the highest star ranking or read the comments reviews below. So to download your chosen one, tap the icon of it. For example this one, and wait for a few seconds. And boom. Now open the app. Reminder guys, some Android apps are only trial version. If you want to update it to premium or pro version, or if you want to upgrade some gears for your games, all you need to do is to prepare your credit card, Gcash, PayPal or Paymaya. So that's all guys. Hope this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.